Alright guys, so I just finished up my contract. I'm chilling in the sun with Lexi. I got my clothing and my bathroom stuff and my laptop, my camera, and inside my bag right here behind me I have my brand new Phaotech G6 stabilizer. Basically, when it's on the stabilizer, it's moving back and forth. But I got a hotel room at the Red Lion again. Oh, thankfully I got a hotel room, you guys. I'm telling you, I needed it. I haven't slept on a bed in 3-ish weeks. I've just, yeah, you'll find out in the video. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button for the notification every time I upload, which is once a week, sometimes two, just for one night, because Saturday and today's Sunday, I don't have my turbo yet, which I'm not upset, crazy upset. I'm a tad bit upset because I have a schedule, but it's okay. It only takes me an hour to put the turbo back on. I'm hoping that there isn't any complications. You'll see at the end of the video, because I don't even know what's going to go on tomorrow. Yeah, it might be at the end of the video, or yeah, I don't know yet, but yeah, I just got to slap that turbo on. I already did a pretty much a maintenance walk around. Now that you know that, I'm gonna just wait another 45-ish minutes and go to Red Lion and relax, slap some of this video together, and hopefully I be on my way to Chris's house tomorrow and slap on the MPX and get to Canada. Enjoy the video. Alright, I gotta show you guys this quick. This is how my car's been sitting for about 2.5 weeks. This whole garage got cleaned and my car is dirty as hell. Look at that. A dusting all over the fucking car. But it is what it is. Just gonna get cleaned up. We have a new contract, you guys. I'll let you guys know exactly where I'm going contract-wise. I'm not trying to spill the beans right now. We're leaving Everett, Washington. Stay tuned till the end and comment if you want. God, you guys, I'm so happy I'm getting out of here in Everett. I will never ever come back to Everett, Washington. And I suggest you don't either. I like to keep a little bit of a... Sorry, there's an ambulance. There. Another ambulance. It's Everett. But before we do that, we gotta get Lady in Red Lexi built squared away. I have a new alternator belt right there that I just picked up from O'Reilly's. My engine bay is really dirty, you guys. She's gonna get cleaned up, don't worry. I do have the original bolts and the 4 nuts. And then I also went to Home Depot and I picked up some, I call them lock washers. So they're internal tooth 3/8. What they look like. Looks like a washer with teeth. And I got 6 of them, 2 in each package. Fits like a glove. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the alternator belt because it's really easy. And it's right there. My battery is dead, my lawnmower battery. That's actually right behind Johnny Booth's fog delete right there. You can't see it because I rock a splash shield. I'm gonna have to take the headlight out tomorrow and access the battery as much as I can. Sadly, I don't have enough extension to go to that other hole right there to hook up my repair tender right there. I brought that with me because of this situation. I do have a new Type S battery starter, which is pretty cool. It's like an external battery So I got that for about $100. 10,000 mAh power bank. So you guys can see it is a nice piece to add to Lady in Red Lexi built. Well, I did it. I moved the car from over there to right here, you guys. And this pole right behind me with the fire extinguisher, fire alarm thing. It's got an outlet right here. So now I can hook up my battery to my tender, or my tender to my battery, electrical cord to the wall. You know, I figured since I haven't really shown you guys my battery, I might as well show you now since I'm hooking the tender up. This is my harness with my lawnmower battery. This is a battery tray that I mocked up and I welded and I ground down and I painted, and it's all tucked behind the passenger side headlight. Passenger side headlight is right there. You got a positive here and you got a negative back there. So I got my tender right up there. We got power. Repair. I'm putting on a pulse. That way it repairs my battery because it's been sitting around for a while. So you can see it's pulsating in there. I'm not exactly sure if it's the battery or if it's the pulsating, but we're gonna go ahead and close this. Alright, that shut it off. That shut the light off. My FOB works. We're gonna go ahead and let that pulsate for a little while and hope and pray that the battery tender does its job and tenders this lawnmower battery. If not, I'm gonna have to go ahead and take it off, and that will have to be all disassembled, pushed to the side, and I'm gonna have to jack up the car a little bit and take the splash shield off, access the 4 bolts holding the tray on, lower the tray with the battery and take the battery out of the tray. Don't really want to do that, so I'm hoping that this is gonna do its thing. Alright, I switched it over to motorcycle and you can see it's at 40%, which is not good. So we're gonna go ahead and leave that on for a little while. I just got back from a walk. Lexi's in there eating right now. I just went to go check my tire pressure all the way around, and this tire right here, you can actually see a little bit of a bubble right here, and I checked the PSI. It's at 15 PSI where everything else is 30. Usually I keep it at about 35, but here in the garage it has been going down in temperature because, for those of you that don't know, I've been sleeping in my car. I've been sleeping in my car, and I don't want everybody to know, but I was over there for about 3 weeks. You guys can see my head was over here, and I was stretched out over to my passenger side door. So the reason why I have so much space is because back here used to be basically a big flat metal piece with speakers, and I cut that all out. From that teddy bear all to right here is probably 7 feet, probably 8 feet, laying this way, and my dog stays over there on her bed. And I slept comfortably, and Lexi's eating her food right now. Well, actually she's going after the bone. I didn't know she was going after the bone. What are you getting? You gonna get it? Well, we're gonna check the tender. It's still saying 40%. So it goes 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I'm just gonna change it over here. This is a repair. I'm hoping that it does something. See, we got truck and car, AGM, motorcycle, and repair, which pretty much is a motorcycle one. So my extension cord is still hooked up, my tender's still doing its thing, but you notice how my bulb is flickering like that? I'm not sure if that's a good sign or a bad sign, so I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's and AutoZone and see if my battery is on some sort of warranty. I'm gonna take my passenger side front wheel off and I start cleaning it off, right? And I start rolling it. And I see this. It's like, are you serious? It's holding. But I'm gonna have to go ahead and put a sticky stick in there and plug it. That's a worry right there. I don't know exactly what to think about it or do about it right now. I could go to my storage unit and go ahead and grab my puncture repair kit, but I think this can wait until I pick up all my stuff from storage. She looks good still, especially for almost 9,000 miles on her. I decided while I wait to get my turbo, work on my car, right? Replace the alternator belt, and you can see the left side is my old one. That's the new one. So ripped up. Yo, not only did the ribs wear out, but look at that. See that?